right, good afternoon, traders. This is your free update from Seasonal Swing Trader. Today is Thursday, February 7th, 2019. I get a lot of questions from members and prospective members about trading futures and commodities. Now, our membership trades a combination of all markets, equities, options, ETFs, commodities, currencies, etc. But I do get a handful of frequent inquiries asking about ways to take advantage of some of these potentially lucrative opportunities in the futures and commodity markets without having to actually trade the specific commodity. For instance, our members are currently looking at potentially bullish positions in grains and the energy markets going into late spring and even into early parts of summer. And sometimes it can be difficult and risky to be straight long or straight short these various markets. In particular, we're talking soybeans, corn, wheat, crude oil, heating oil, unleaded gas. Not only are they subject to large swings, but they can also carry a fairly hefty margin requirement. So one alternative that you can do other than trading comparable ETFs is trade a basket of specific commodities. And one ETF that does just that is ticker symbol DBC. It's the Invesco DB Commodity Index Tracker. Has about $2.5 billion of assets under management, so it's got some decent size. It's trading at an affordable $15.50 per share, and it's a great alternative if you want to pick up a basket of commodities that you think that may be going higher, or short if you think they're going lower. If you look at the weighting of DBC, you can see that they hold a lot of underlying of the major commodities: gold, soybeans, all of your major energies. If we look at the weighting of the holdings here, you can see that about 40% of DBC is comprised of energies, and then you've got roughly 20%, and grains make up roughly 20%, corn, wheat, soybeans, and then you've also got gold, sugar, and nat gas. So again, in our case, we're looking at potential long entries in the energies and the grain complex. And if you're not trading the underlying futures or the underlying futures options markets, you may want to take a look at DBC. Hope it helps. Trade well, and we'll see you on the next update. Traders, like what you see, want more trade ideas each week? Take a $7 30-day complete member access trial by clicking the link below. You'll have immediate access to analysis and seasonal trade ideas on over 35 commodity and currency futures markets, as well as coverage on all of the major stocks, exchanges, and ETFs in the U.S. marketplace. If you like us, follow us on Twitter and Facebook, like us on YouTube, and we hope to see you on the inside.